Hi everybody, welcome back to Rockwell Process Consulting. Today I wanted to talk more about the 10 steps to creating your own company. Last time we talked about accepting feedback. That's going to be covered on pretty much every step. So the next obvious step is coming up with the idea for your company, what it's going to do, what your product or service is going to be, and then think through all the different aspects of that, how it would work, how your company would function, and all the details about it. So like where it would be, who you would have working for you, and basically lay out the plan for your entire company. What would it look like if it was existing today? And if you were to hand over that booklet to someone, you know, what would they need to know to execute your idea exactly how you wanted to see it happen? So the more detail you can put in that plan, the more you can come up with good ideas to move forward and mitigation plans for if things were to not go as you expect them to. So then when they do come up, you're ready for them, and you can potentially even put in place things to prevent unexpected outcomes from happening in the first place. So company name, the products and services, and then how you're going to execute that is step two. So that's the next easy step. For me, coming up with the idea, this was something that I was working on for years, probably 10 plus years. The initial thought of the work that I was doing in my jobs of continuous improvement, coming up with lots of ideas along the way that was saving these companies millions of dollars. And, I was getting, maybe sometimes I was getting something out of it, but most of the time I wasn't. And, it just felt like the balance was way out of whack there. And that was something that just over time, I just kept thinking about more and more and more. Then, as I mentioned in the last video, I saw a commercial on how to structure payments and how to charge for my services. So that led me into the idea to put those things together basically and move forward with my company. So I help companies, all over the country save money, save time, and I get paid based on that service that I provide, that value, and it puts all the risk on me. You don't pay until I can deliver value. I've always delivered value. So, and then I get a percentage of that. So the harder I work, the more efficient I work, the better things that I find, the more money that I can make, and the more money that my clients can save. And so it's a win-win. Usually when you're digging into those kind of things, you're finding more opportunity. So the deeper I dig, the more I find, the more they save, or the better their bottom line gets, and the better mine does. So it's really a win-win. Safety improves, quality improves, production efficiency improves. So that's my company. And that's step two, is coming up with the company name, process, and products and services. So if you have any questions, you want to leave a comment down below, go ahead. And if you'd like to subscribe, I'd really appreciate everybody's subscription. Everything helps. And we'll see you next time.